Welcome to the 8th part of our HTML series where we learn something new about HTML. Let's go. Here I have my VS Code up and ready. Now here HTML lists are of two types, ordered lists and unordered lists. Now info on ordered lists. Now an ordered list start with the tag OL. So let me show you. Ordered list starts with OL followed by li for each list item. So let me just type in li, and then whatever I type here will be called as a list item. So let me just type in coffee. So now this here is a list item. You can just keep on adding more list items by typing in more li tags, coffee, mango juice, then for example lemon tea. Now here an ordered list, the list item will be marked with the numbers by default. Now when I run this, when I execute this piece of code, you will see that the list which we get here is marked by the serial numbers. So this is the quality of ordered list. So now for unordered list, we start the unordered list with ul for unordered list, followed by li for list items, coffee, then juice, then milkshake. These are the three list items which I am going to run for this example. Let me just show you. You can see the unordered list here are marked by bulletin points. Now this is the main difference between an ordered list and an unordered list. Ordered lists are marked by serial numbers by default, whereas in unordered list the items are marked with the bulletin points. So we have one more type of list which I'm going to show you. Now HTML also support description list. A description list is a list which have a description for each item in it. Now to create, let me show you all. It starts with DL. Now to create a description list, we type in DL followed by DT for each list item. Suppose coffee. Now I can create a description. I can write a description for my list item by using the tag dd for description. Now here you can type in coffee. You can type in a description for your item. So here I have a description for my item. Now let me just save it and show you. Now here you can see we have coffee, and then we have a description for my list item coffee. So this is how a description list works. You can keep on adding more list items. Suppose juice, and then a description for it would be great. Now I have got a description for my second list item, and as you can see, for my second list item I have got a list description. The only thing with description list is it does not mark the list item either with serial numbers or with bulleted points. A quick recap: we have learned six new tags called OL tag for defining ordered list, followed by LI tag for defining list items. Then we have got UL tag for unordered list, and then DD, DT, and DL tag for creating description lists. This is it for today, and I will see you next time.